Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your OPPO Reno 7. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here we want to write Firefox browser and click on the app like that. Now press install. And after the installation process is complete, we can open the app. And now start customizing it. So you can pick the theme you like, from light, dark or automatic. You can change the toolbar placement from bottom or top. You can also change the always on privacy settings from standard to strict. You can also log into your other Firefox account to sync in both of the devices. You should read the privacy policy, and after all that, you can start browsing. So now the browser should work normally. We can open any website. So let's just go for Wikipedia, and it works. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.